Our new orchid, freshly mounted to this plumeria. I'm going to show you some others that I have in this tree, quite a few. I have to thank my little brother for helping me do this. He is also a plant nerd like myself, so we had some fun mounting these orchids and epiphytes in here. So we have an orchid right here hanging out, and I'll come around so you can see all of its roots and kind of how it's taking off. Bit messy up here. We've got some tillandsia in here as well, kind of a big ball mess of that, but it seems to be doing pretty fine. We did take the zip tie off of that one, so that one was zip tied, but we still do have some wire over here for those smaller roots. And you can see this side's a lot more textured versus kind of some other parts of this tree that you'll see a little bit more smooth. So usually trees that have a little bit more texture to their bark, those orchids will take off a lot more strongly on those. So here we have a tillandsia that has found its new home, those strong roots kind of extending all the way out and up. And up here we have even some more. Good thick mess of them up here as well. I have a xerographica, which hasn't really taken off yet up there. So we'll see how that does, hopefully in the next summer or so. And some more up here. And a special treat, I have a beautiful orchid that's blooming actually right now that was mounted quite a while back, so you can see how it's taken off so far up here pretty nicely.